Hey guys, this is Miss Regine from SOAR Educational Services, and today we are going to continue working on conversion. Sometime you have to convert between different units of measurement. So let's say from the metric system to the customary system. So in this example, you have 1,000 kilogram, and we want to change that to pounds. So we're starting off with 1,000 kilogram, and we want to know how many pounds that will be. So we have to, again, you have to have some sort of chart or have it memorized, but 1 kilogram is approximately 2.2 pounds. So what we would need to do is write 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So notice you have kilogram on top and pounds on the bottom, and we would need to multiply this out, 1,000 times 2.2, and that would give us 2,200 pounds. So 1 kilogram is approximately 2,200 pounds. All right, here's another one. If we have 1,000 inches, and we want to know how many meters that is, we have to know that 1 meter is approximately 39.37 inches. So we have 1 meter and 39.37 inches. So you have inches on the bottom so they could cancel each other out. And if you use a calculator, multiply this out. Well, 1,000 times 1 is 1,000, but then 1,000 divided by 39.37, and we have 25.4 meters. And I just want you to make sure, like, the reason we're doing this is because we want the inches to cancel out, right? And over here, we have the kilogram canceling out, and we're just left with the pounds. So that's why we make sure that what we start with on top, we reverse it on the bottom. All right, sometimes you have dimensional analysis and you have multiple things happening. So in this example, you have 175 miles in 4 hours. So you can find what the per hour rate is. That would not be so hard. That's just a division problem to find the per hour rate. But that's another proportion. You know, some people can do it pretty easily by just dividing, but let's just use like what we've been doing. So what you need to know for this is that, okay, well, I'm going from, and our goal is to get to feet per minute. So I'm at miles per hour. I'm trying to get to feet per minute. So first you think about what's the relationship between miles and feet. And we know 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So this is miles. So you see we have them on top so they can cancel each other out. We have miles and miles cancel each other out. But we also are going from hours to minute. So we need to take care of that issue too. So we do know that 1 hour has 60 minutes. All right, and that's because we have an hour down here. So we want our hour on top. That way they can cancel out. And now we can multiply 175 times 5,280. On the bottom, it is 240. And that gives us 3,850 feet per minute. And it makes sense. We have feet on top. So if you really wanted to write this as a fraction, you can think about the minute being on the bottom. We have feet on top and minute on the bottom. All other units have canceled out. So that's how we have feet per minute here. Let's see if, we can try another one. If we have 100 feet per second, and we're trying to do miles per hour. And okay, we're trying to do miles per hour. So if we're going from feet to miles, we just did that one. we know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So we have feet on top, you see, and bottom, they cancel. And then we know that, and we're going from second to hour. So let's go step by step. We know that first, if we have 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we have second here. We're going to have second on top. 60 seconds is 1 minute. So that way they can cancel out. And remember, our end goal is to have miles per hour. We do have that mile on top. All right, but we need hour on the bottom. So we're going to have 1 hour and 60 minutes. And now we can just multiply. And then we divide. And that gives us 68.18. We'll round to the hundreds place again. And we did have cancellation here. So we have miles on top and hour on the bottom. So we have 68.18 miles per hour. All right, we'll try one final one. And you can pause the video and try it on your own first, see how you do. All right, we have 100 kilometers per hour. And we're trying to get to meters per second. So we have kilometers and we're trying to get to meters. So we need to know that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So we have our kilometers cancel out. All right, and then, so we've already gotten to that meters, but now we're at hour and we're trying to get to second. So we need to know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. I'm sure you guys know this. And then we're trying to get to second. So we need to know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. All right, and then we can just multiply and divide. And you can check your answer to see if you are correct. All right, let's see what our units were again. So we have our hour cancel, our minute cancel. So we have meters per second. So 27.78 meters per second. All right, and that's it for how to convert between different units. Remember to like and subscribe. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.